So, good afternoon, supervisor. I am Yogesh Shrestha, and today I'm here in front of you to give the final presentation about my final project. So, here you go. So, first of all, I'd like to start from the presentations of my project. So, this is the front page. So, I'll start. So, this is the front page of my project. So, where I will give my introduction, and the title of my project is Cloud Health Record by using a blockchain. And the second is I'll go to through the abstract of my project. So in this project we present a framework that could be used for the implementation of the blockchain technology in healthcare sector for EHR. The aim of our project framework is firstly to implement the blockchain technology for the EHR, and secondly to provide the secure storage of the electronic records by defining the chain access rule for the user and the proposed framework. Moreover, this framework also discusses the scalability problem faced by the blockchain technology in general view and use of off-chain storage of the record. This frame provides the EHR system with the beneficials having the secure and the intellectual blockchain-based solution. So here is the domain introductions. A blockchain is a growing list of the record called the blocks that are linked using the cryptography. So using each block contains the cryptographic hash of the previous block and the time stamps, so it resistant to the modification of the data. So it will show some modifications of the data. And another is, so now that's all about my presentation. Now I'd like to go to the applications of my code of my project. So this is the code of my project. So I'm just installing the project, like I'm just installing the code. So now it's running, because I want to show you from the sketch of my project. So here is the link, and now this is the front end of my project, where you can see the sign in page and sign up page for the multiple users, where the sign in and the sign in use of the multiple users. And now when we click the sign in, so we're gonna find the three panels for this project: patient panel, doctor login, and the admin login. And admin login is for the owner of the hospitals, patients for the patients, and the doctor for the doctors who are available. So here are the three panels. So sign up. So if the patients don't have the ID, then they can use the sign up sections, where they can put their information in here and they can do a sign up here. So by that you can see there that the previous hash code and hash code, this is the main aim of this project, because that is the blockchain that we are using the blockchain. So all the codes are recorded in the hash. So create the multiple hash. So this is the the detail of the customers, or sorry, the patients. So here is the sign in panel. So now we're gonna log in the panel logins. So after logging the panels, now we will have the four different sectors: my accounts, access login, view record, and book appointments. In my accounts, what you can see is you can see your details about the patient's details: first name Yogesh Shrestha, creations at what time, city, state, and guardians accounts for the add guardians and the links. So this is the personal information about the patients. And in access log, you will gonna have the multiple data of the access for the in the medical issues, and the view records. In this medical block records, you're gonna find the what kind of the medical records do you have, and that all the like records and your medical records are stored in here. And appointments, if you have any kind of appointments, or if you have already checked up and if you want to appoint, then you can appoint through this application also for the doctors specializations. And so after having that all the like applications and the servers, so now we're gonna like to introduce all of the things, because that is the like the main site of I have already shown you the site of and the project site of website of our project. Now I will explain all the like information regarding the sites in here. So we have already give you the like domain introductions. Now I'll give you the literature survey, because for this data to get this data, we have done the survey regarding this, and the survey is based on the like the electric health record system by using a blockchain, which is authored by the Harrison in 2020, and where the data is encrypted by the algorithm known as SHA-256, which is used to encrypt all the data of the patients into the single line and 256 byte encrypted list. So function less secure due to a 256 standard. And the survey 2 is told what survey 2 is explained about. The author of the survey 2 is the Orlando F. Da Conky AU, which who have like published his survey in 2019 by proposing the implement of the large scale of information architecture to access the electronic health records based on the smart contract as the information metadata, and which is controlled by the like health record validation delay and the false sense of the security. So these all are the survey regarding my health. And another is now we're gonna talk about the existing system of our system. So medical data intervention is always possible because the existing system is centralized distributing system. In this existing system, there are the drawbacks such as no data privacy, less reliability, lack of network, right, and the security in the sharing the health among the cloud server. Also, the failure in the single point can be happen in existing system, which result is unable of the data. So it also lack in the data retrievable process since the existing system face the storage issue. So the disadvantage of my system is in a centralized combination model, the system administrator may disclose the sensitive data due to the inside attacker, and several large sized distribute the data center, which create a huge burden of the computing, storage and the networking resources. So this is about the existing data, and now I will gonna talk about the process system. In this processed blockchain technology based on ESR provides decentralized system. This process system provides a trustworthy access control to the mechanism by using the smart contract in order to achieve the secure the EHR sharing between the patients and the healthcare provider, including the hospital and pharmaceutics. In this process system, a patient can register and feed his detail regarding the health, which then will be the convert into the hash, which I have already shown in the the website also. The hash value using the SSF512 algorithm. Then it will be embedded as the EHR data. Using the hash value, the doctor and the hospital can view the detail permitted by the patients. And another process system is the doctor can also provide the medicines viewing the patient record, which and this will be the convert in the block, because I have already shown you the one block where the patient's records, so that can be seen by the doctor also. So by that the doctor can also provide the medicines after viewing the patient records. So this block can view by the pharmaceutical, and automatically invoice will be created, because after seeing the pharmaceuticals, all the bill and the invoice will be automatically created. So this proposed system also integrates the cryptocurrency, that is Ethereum, which preserves the sensitive health information against the threats, because we can use the cryptocurrency and the Ethereum also to preserve the sensitive of this health. And the cryptocurrency can also use to book a doctor, because we can use the cryptocurrency also to book the doctor for the payment as well as the appointment also. So now these are the main proposed system of our data. So these are the proposed system model of our project. So where the patients monitor agents and the patients all the you can see all the US use case designs. So now what is the advantage of the proposed system of our system? So by using the unmodifiable property of the blockchain provide the more security, confidential and the transparent which is value the trans and the run application offline mode certificate valid and provide the accuracy relevant information. So this is all about my system and I hope you love this and thank you so much for hearing me.